So write the equation of the line in point slope form. Okay, so here we're gonna have to do a little bit more. So we're gonna write the equations in point slope form. I want you to try these by yourself if possible. Okay, do you mind zooming in just a little bit on it? It's a little bit small. I just want to make sure we're gonna get the slope right. Perfect. All right, cool. So go ahead and do part A first, and then we'll do part B. Okay, so let me know what your slope is first before you put it in equation.
Slope.
Yes. Do you remember how to find your slope on the graph? Yeah. It's okay if you don't. I can show you how to do it. So remember, it's like rise over run. I can help you. Don't plug it into the equation yet. Just let me know what your slope is, okay? From the graph.
Slope?
Yes.
Then it would be 1.
Not 1. We're going down 2 over 1. Does that make sense?
Okay. That I just can't find the y-intercept.
You don't need the y-intercept. We're using point slope form.
I was looking for the y-intercept.
Okay, yeah, we don't need to find the y-intercept because we don't have it on the graph, okay? So all I'm asking you to do is just find the slope f first, okay? Then we're going to use point slope form, okay? The question is only asking you for point slope form, okay? So we're not going to even find the y-intercept in this question, okay? So just look at the graph and find the slope, okay? It's either rise over run, but in this case, we're going down and to the right instead of up and to the left. So we have a negative slope. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, perfect. So that's how we find that from the graph. So our slope is just -2. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, perfect. So now we need to plug into this equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay, so can you plug in to this equation here? So plug in all of the pieces there that they give you. Use the point right here in your equation. Okay, and then just let me know what you got.
I got y equals -2x plus 3.
Okay, so we don't have to solve anything. What did you get in your point slope equation?
I got y plus 1 equals -2x plus 4.
It should be -2.
I mean plus -4. I mean -4.
Okay, so just this x value here needs to go in over here. Does that make sense? You don't have to distribute anything.
Oh yeah, that's right. I solved it.
No, that's okay. They're only asking you for point slope form, so we don't want to write anything more than that, okay, or make more work. Okay, so our equation would be y plus 1 equals -2x minus 2. Okay. Here, I'll erase this too so you can actually see what you're writing. It's right above 2, so if you need to reference that. Perfect. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and we can check the answer on that one, and then we'll do the second one. Perfect. That's what we got. Awesome. All right. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a screenshot of that. All right. Okay. So let's do the second part now. I want you to try to do this one completely by yourself. Okay. Once you get your slope, then I will let you try it. Okay. So I need the slope of your line. Okay. So remember, the slope is just rise over run. So you just have to count the boxes. Okay. So let me know what your slope is.
That y minus 1 is equal to negative 2 over 3 x minus 3.
You're really, really close. There's just one thing that is a little off. Can you look at the direction of your line for me? So our line is going in the up direction. So what should our slope be?
That should be a positive.
Positive slope, good. So y minus 1 is equal to 2/3 x minus 3. Okay, so that would be your answer there. I already took a screenshot of it, just so you can zoom out if you need to.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, awesome. So we can go ahead and check the answer on that one. And that is exactly what we got.